Can you give me king's wise?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna pull this one. Oh my god, I was late on my kick there.
Does anybody know this this warlock, or is this just some rando who's helping out?
There's some rando helping out.
Okay, yeah, we should definitely throw them some gold or something.
Yeah. For sure.
I was gonna give him 15 gold, that's all I got.
I think I have some on me right now.
15's a good amount for this help.
I have some too, yeah.
Okay. I know we're gonna pull this guy somehow, so I'm just gonna pull it. It's high up on these mountains, right? This spot in front of us.
Should we tell this lock to not go
No, it's only when we pull Kazakh. And we're not Kazakh's not gonna be up.
Okay,
it's just I said this because you said you never pulled a world buff, and I said, well,
Yeah.
you know, if
Yeah.
we ever end up, pretty sure it's up here, the spot for your summoner. Ugh.
We gotta go back. Gotta go pre-beat, sadly.
Yeah. isn't it? I don't know. I know it's up in these mountains for the spot to summon, right? But I don't know.
Over here.
Yeah.
That one.
Haven't moved one here in forever.
Yeah, my bad.
Okay.
You got 2 ads.
No, we got 3. This is Can you dummy?
I can dummy.
Yeah. Banish a him. I hate he did.
Still got a dummy if you need it.
Yeah, we're good. I want shield. I want shield. Make sure we have demo up.
Trog.
Oh,
Trog.
fucking shot.
Alright. Are people petrying? Or
I'm healing you.
okay. Got one on a hand.
Damn, dude, I survived so much.
I'm
on
about
this
to go
game.
Emily. Emily.
Yeah. Do we have a dummy?
Mine's on cooldown.
Okay.
Trog.
Petri up 4. It's the only
Emily,
way.
I'm 1%.
I'm petrying.
Do y'all need help?
Yeah.
I got a warlock. Do I need to log on it and get people real quick?
If you petry, you leave combat.
I know,
But
but
I think well, you're not here. 1 second. We're gonna focus. The situation is still going on right now. Do you have a
Okay.
second petry?
I
Team?
do have a second Petri. I can bubble
Okay.
and then Petri. I need all that for
Yeah.
though.
No, you don't need to opt out for. When you're gonna petry, it's gonna make you leave combat. Right?
This warlock is in combat right now.
Yeah. I'm petrying it. I removed my petry. I'm heartstoning out. I'm gonna heartstone out. I'm watching this petry's timer on this person. I can't really go drop a dummy for them.
Yeah,
I just need to repetry. Yeah.
I'm dumbing for them.
Too late. It's
Oh,
fine.
No.
I'm out.
We just killed that lock.
Yep.
Yeah.
We just killed that lock. That's
Yeah. They only had one petry.
They must have. Oh my god.
God damn, dude, that's fucking so rough.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hearthed.
Yeah, I heard that. Oh.
Did Lax make it out?
Lax. Yeah, I think so.
They're still in Blasted Lands. Yo.
Yeah.
I'm in group with Jeet if we need to invite anybody.
When Petri drops. Can we? I'm gonna try to summon him. I'm gonna go to my summoner. I don't know what else. to do.
No, I already have 3 people. I already have
Okay. With,
Jeet and I.
and-
He's hearted.
and-
He's fine. He's fine. He's fine.
Is he okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's in Ironforge. Okay.
Yeah.
Frog, I'm sorry, dude.
That's all my fault. I could have.
We needed more.
hmm
Sorry.
hmm I feel really, really bad for the warlock.
The warlock. That's.
Yeah.
That's
I
insane.
feel worse about him
Yeah.
than I do myself, and I've fucking done so
Yeah.
much shit on this character. It's crazy.
Okay. And Grail Knight. Well, I'll fucking pay them back through leveling. Whatever.
As soon as my dummy was off cooldown, I clicked off my Petri and threw down a dummy, but they were dead.
Yeah,
like
I was-
before.
I was too far away. I canceled my Petri and I was thinking of getting in, but I couldn't get line of sight for charge. And I was like, this is just honestly what killed them is their pet was in combat with shit, right? So what happened is they Petri, they went on the pet died, but when they went to hit the pet, it got him back into combat with him, because if you Petri, you leave combat in open world.
Yeah.
Oh well. That's fine. Oh, it's fine. It's fine for me, but not fine for whoever just lost their character.
55 days. Oof.
Oof.
Hard, dude.
Mhm.
Trog, I can carry you some, dude. If you want to go again, dude. I got a rogue and a warlock. If you ever need anything, dude. It's a rocket, of course.
I don't know how I feel about this one.
We needed to have we needed to have the warlock on Discord, because the banish kept dropping. I should have explained to him, like, you know, he was also damaging the Felguard, which does more damage, but it doesn't mana burn. We have to kill the mana burner, and we have to kick the mana burns a lot more than we were. Oh well, happens. Happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, what happened?
I was trying to get a summoner out to Kazakh, and this is all
Yeah.
I had, so we went with it. And
Yeah,
it was
I
a
should have.
banger.